teaching the nourishment of eating in his treatise, De Rudimento Puerorum, the moral philosopher says this: nourishment in eating rests generally in 4 points. The first one is in knowing how to compose one's person. The second, in knowing how to offer courtesy to others. The third, in wisely contracting the viands and what is served to those at table. The fourth, in averting offense. The first point, then, is indeed in knowing how to compose oneself. The behavior of the man who comes to eat indeed is, first, at mealtime, before he sits down at the table, if he can, he will publicly, and if not, in his heart, adore God by giving thanks for all that pertains to corporeal refreshment. And then he should go to the privy, for it is very healthy and profitable at this time to have purged the belly, and a great aid in properly safeguarding against the production of wind that might occur at the table. Afterwards, the hands should be washed.